So we're at the 12 Hours of Sebring. Obviously that suggests it's a 12-hour race. There's no way a driver could do 12 hours on it on their own. So these cars are incredibly physical. So we have 3 drivers for this event. One driver will tend to do 2 hours at a time. So obviously during the race you've got to do a driver change. Now that is quite a complicated thing, because obviously you can see it's a very tight cockpit, and we've got to do a driver change quicker than it takes to refuel the car. Otherwise you're losing time in the pit. So that means me getting plugged out. I've got a drink system that connects to my crash helmet. I've got air conditioned air that connects to my crash helmet as well to provide fresh air. I've got to unplug that. I've got to unplug 6 belts here that keep me nice and tight in the car. I've got to put all those in their correct position, and then in 15 seconds I've got to do that, pop out. I'm doing it slowly, it's much quicker normally, but I hop out, take my insert, because we all have our own seat insert, so we're nice and comfortable in the thing, and then get away from the car. And then Jeremy there is the driver helper. He'll help the next guy get in, and that's all got to be done in 15 seconds. So it gets pretty frantic, but it's a very important part of endurance racing, because you don't want to lose any more time in the pits than you already are from refueling the car.